Hey girl, hey, it's your girl T. Lash. Welcome back to my channel. If you're into doing your own maintenance, do it yourself, stay tuned, watch to the very end, and don't forget to subscribe. I went with this, and this is what I use. I use the VI's Lash and Bond. This little tweezer that came with one of my Kiss kits when I first started out. I like this tweezer because it has the pointy end on there. Lash spoolie. And then I like using this end because at the end, I put the seal on there and clump it together, but I'll show y'all my tip. Oh, faithful. Hair glue. I know, don't judge me, but it makes my lashes stay on longer. I use the Bond with the lash glue. I use these two together. This lash set comes with 30D and 40D from 9mm to 16. So I'm using the Bond side of the glue stick and just going across my lashes. And then you're gonna see me get the lash and dip it in the hair glue. Just only the tip, and then I'll put it under, not too close to my waterline, but enough to where it gives it that natural look. Now I'm just gonna resume the same thing on my other eye. Once I'm done placing all the lashes, I'm gonna show you my technique of how I clip them together. Using the seal, I'm gonna lightly brush it under my lashes and then place the seal on the tweezers, the flat tweezers on both sides, and then I'm gonna press in on my lashes from top to bottom so that they stay together. I know I'm not the only one who makes funny ass faces when I'm doing any type of beauty maintenance, but never mind that. Here's the finished product the next day after I finish my hair, and I'll show y'all that in another video. Stay tuned.